Alright, in this video I'm going to show you some assembly and a quick test preview of the Lynxx battery cooler system. So, for the assembly you'll of course need your 3D printed component, you'll need your fan. The link to buy this on eBay is on here in the description. And you will need two 1/8 inch diameter by 1.5 inch long machine screws, and you'll need a nut for each one. Now these guys can be found at pretty much any hardware store. As far as tools, you'll need a pair of pliers, a screwdriver, and a pencil, or a stick-like object. So your first step after you take your printed part out of the printer is to remove the raft, of course, and then you will have, if you've done it correctly, you will have 2 bits of support material here and here. And you'll need to remove those with a pair of pliers. I have already removed the ones in this piece. So, to assemble, it's very simple. Simply take your fan, insert it into the corresponding ductway, like so. Line it up with the holes, you can see straight through. Then take your nuts, insert them into the nut holes. You may need to jiggle with it a little bit, use the pencil. They don't go down straight, or if they resist going down. There we go. You gotta go down all the way to the bottom. Now, if they're so snug that you find you need to hit them with a hammer and a nail or something, that's another option for getting them down there. Alright, there we go. Our nuts are in place. So holding it like this so the nuts don't fall out, take our screws and just gently turn them by hand until they're in the threads of the nuts. Alright, and once they've captured the nuts, you can turn it over and tighten up your screws. They don't have to be crazy tight, just hand tight is fine. Okay, and with that, assembly is complete. You can snap it right onto your battery, like so. As you can see, it fits nice and snug against the vent area in the back, and when it's powered on, you will be able to feel air coming out the front and side vents. So let me show you how that looks. So you can power this thing with pretty much any USB power source. Be that, you know, a wall plug or a car charger or even a little portable USB power pack. It just kind of gives you a little bit of flexibility as far as how you want to power it. And yeah, there it goes. It's very quiet, but it really puts out the air to cool your battery down rapidly. So that's it. That's your Lynxx battery cooler.